I have the chlorinator off high salt/amps message.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
I replaced the CG a couple of months ago and currently it is reporting 4,600 ppm on the salt. Just this past week, and the pool turned green on me wed-today. I shocked at lunch to get the green cleared up, but bigger concern is the CG not generating.
Who manufactured the pool?
Local company installed, Pamlico. The filter and controller are Hayward Aqua Plus, and I replaced the CG from a T-cell 15 to a direct replacement, not Hayward, had Pamlico come and install it, and things have been fine until this past week. In talking with Pamlico, we agreed that spring rains would gradually lower the salt levels.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I like to try myself first.
Is there anything else the pool technician should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
I'm back at work now, so I can't check the voltage on the display. I'm hoping if I get salt back down and bump the chlorine, things will get back to normal.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. This is James. I'm a pool plant technician with over 20 years of experience, and I'll be assisting you today. Sorry to hear your appliance is having issues. Please stand by while I find the answer for you. This is not an immediate service, however I will try and respond as soon as possible. It would suggest the salt levels are too high based on the error reporting. Drain some of the water and top it up and this will reduce your salt level. You want it ideally less than 3,500 and ideally above 3,000 parts per million.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.